Let's try to fix hotspot issues on Samsung Galaxy A56 5G. First and foremost, let's go to settings, choose connections, and over here we want to go to mobile hotspot and tethering. And of course here we have our mobile hotspot. We need to be aware of the fact that if we use mobile hotspot, Wi-Fi is disabled. We cannot share access of the Wi-Fi for some reason. Samsung does not allow us to do so. So for example, if you turn on mobile hotspot and then decide to turn off Wi-Fi again, the mobile hotspot will be disabled. Another thing is that over here we have the password. So what we can do is we can change the password if you cannot connect to your mobile hotspot on your other device. This might be due to incorrect password or something. So you can set up something easier like 12345678 or something like that. Just an easy password that is easy to enter. But besides that, we also have the band over here, which can be customized. So if you switch to 5 GHz preferred, then you can switch back to 2.4 GHz, because in some cases, this might be the reason why you cannot find the connection on your other device, or why it's not working, why you cannot connect to the hotspot. So switch to 2.4 GHz if applicable, and then press save. Now, another thing that we can try to do is use the one-time password instead. So if you tap over here, we have this password. We can also generate the QR code or reset the password. This can work as well sometimes, but in general we also have the QR code over here. So instead of trying to enter the password, or even waiting for the network to appear on the list of Wi-Fi networks, you can just generate the QR code and scan it on your other device, if you can, of course, so that you don't have to wait for the Wi-Fi to appear on your other device, and you don't have to enter the password. And of course we can just simply turn off and turn on mobile hotspot as well. Sometimes this simple thing works as well and fixes these issues. Besides that, you want to check the mobile data of your phone, because since we are not using Wi-Fi, we are using mobile data. So we need to make sure that mobile data is enabled and that we are using the correct SIM card if we use more than one in general. So if you go to SIM manager in the connection settings, you should be able to make sure that the correct SIM card is selected over here for mobile data, and also make sure that the SIM card is enabled. And last but not least, you can also reset mobile network settings by going back to the settings, then go to general management. Over here select reset, and then here we have reset mobile network settings. If you have more than one SIM again, then we can select which SIM card we want to reset, and then reset these settings. Enter the screen lock password and press continue, and once again press reset, and there we go. Of course, after that it is recommended to go back to the SIM manager settings to make sure that everything is set up properly, such as the mobile data and the SIM card itself. And then we can try to turn off and turn on the hotspot to make sure that it is actually up and running. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!